Seeking a piece of reason, cheap in a peaceless season. Reason to keep believing, waking the beast to sleeping.
Oh no, bubble!
The scream of horror.
That was rage. That wasn't.
Stop dying!
Before you run into that.
One pair of pants later.
They're using fucking spaghetti code AI fucking mechanics. That's what's happening.
I love you, Daddy.
Go fuck yourself!
Just wants to hang out.
What the fuck?
Party's over.
Cool!
Can lube be lubed?
Yeah.
Is water warm?
You just add more loot.
Why are we having this conversation?
It's very important.
There is nothing sexual about this
Let
conversation.
them have this. They made it the limit cut.
Use lube in all facets of industrial work. It's important.
Jesus. I fucking hate this fight. Yep.
Oh, he's in a bad spot.
I'm done with
Fuck.
this shit.
Ow.
Too far. I couldn't reach you. Fuck!
I had 3 cooldowns up and I still
it's
died
Jacob.
to that
Oh.
tank.
I was fucking panicking because I couldn't fucking reach Jacob. I broke my keyboard. Alright, I'm fucking done with this shit. I'm done. I'm getting mad. I'm done.
Yeah,
Ah!
I'm behind you.
I got up here before you did.
Oh god.
Well, I survived the tank buster and died doing all right afterwards.
It's like we're becoming a hardcore static or something.
Sliding into some hardcore depression.
Yeah!
I don't have to slide anywhere for that. I was excited for the pull. Watching Giselle's health intently.
I didn't kill him that time.
No, I said you got deleted, or Giselle got deleted, and then I look up and as I say that, Nova's just gone, and then everyone's dead.
I use benediction! No! I know!
Haha.
Daddy! You're the one that fucking move!
Oh, there it goes.
That was great. Nova's like, Batty! And the orb goes toward us in slow motion. That was like some Titanic type shit right there.
I'm mad about that because we had a little kerfuffle between me and Link that did.
I don't understand why it hit me. I wasn't even near it. Yeah, you were. You didn't even move out the middle, then all of a sudden, right in your face. I wasn't in the middle. Bullshit. Wasn't.
Maybe not on your screen.
If only we had video of it.
Right?
I'm not streaming though. And Link definitely doesn't look at anybody but himself.
Bomb? Shit.
1%. Oh. Oh. So rough.
Good.
Okay, that was good. That was good.
Yeah,
it
we
didn't
didn't
take us.
LB there either.
It didn't take an entire lockout to get there.
Right? You forget. All this time we've been off, it's just been one extended break.
So we're gonna clear, yeah?
It's gonna get us. Prog
We're just
through
gonna-
the cuts.
We're just gonna bullshit our way all the way up through Enigma Code. You know, I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm just thinking about in the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the bowl of petunias, and the only thing that goes through its head as it falls to its death as it enters atmosphere above a planet is, oh no, not again.
What are we doing over here?
Trying to fucking keep people alive, but it's not working! Stop dying! No, it's not that. It's I have cast times, and you guys are not consistent with what time you're feeding your dolls at all.
Sometimes
I
get
am
big
consistent with my movement every time.
Well, yeah, we got through the first doll fine. It's like the rest of them that are inconsistent as fuck. I have like 4 GCDs, and who I spend them on is just like, it's been fucking whack. Okay?
Would you like to know what the bowl of petunias thought of that?
No, I don't care about your
He's just gonna keep
fucking
bringing this up all night.
Wow.
Oh.
You ever get annoyed at yourself for how you handle a mechanic and then you realize you handle it a certain way for a very specific reason?
Sorry. I killed you.
I can't.
This fucking fight.
Just a really big ad-lib like that whole. And then,
Oh yeah, okay.
but yeah, so I can just see them doing something really cool.
I can't wait until we
Already.
can get like better
Good.
gear. It hurts so bad.
We will.
What?
I'll be hyperventilating into a bag.
Yeah.
It's Brahma wielding Susanoo's sword, riding Ixion.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
Nani?
Oh, I was decking.
What does it say? The
It's the
hand
worst.
is trying to say hi to Link.
Sick of this shit.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Giselle's tanking.
He's just having fun over there. It's
Oh
fine.
boy.
Cool! Do you not have your tank stance on?
I always think Link's Jag doll is him and he's just not moving. And I did the best I could to move him.
Giselle, watch the bubble. Okay.
Oh, the fucking hand just rocketed through a bubble.
Branches just mayo with a couple extra ingredients.
Mayo is just eggs and oil. Cloaks are just blankets that you wrap around yourself in a fancy way. Hey, those goddamn tethers.
Right?
Just now.
Oh. Mimi. What happened to Seal?
Dude, I just said fuck and then left. I'm out of there.
I just saw you like slide across the entire.
Oh.
Stop barraging the doll. It doesn't deserve that.
It does. You seen those slumbery little shit?
Orb coming our way. Adjust in toward the boss. In toward the boss.
Fucking can't spend the goddamn GCDs I need. Fucking get off my divination. That's fine. That's fine. Fuck this fight. Nope,
No.
I'll just clip my fucking GCDs. It's cool. Fucking stupid fight. Stupid fucking devs. God damn it.
Cool.
It's still baited. It just baited the other way.
Fuck you do.
I'm wearing the wrong gear.
Ah!
I didn't
Let him be
equip-
the main this time, please.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
Oh no.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Excuse me.
There's the deleted.
Hey.
We got him. Get middle.
Nuclear
Middle.
launch detected.
Base 1. Alright, follow this.
Fire.
We're not gonna fucking get this, but. Ow.
Hey, we made it.
Yeah, it's good. That's another switch.
Are you
Oh,
fucking
shit.
kidding me? I stepped
That is
into the
unfortunate.
wall.
Unlucky.
Oh, hey.
We died as we lived, like a bunch of fucking mongrels.
That looks fucking great.
I'm
Okay,
helping.
no, you're not.
Oh.
Right
Oops.
through the bubble.
Yeah, you can't touch the bubbles.
We got it. Middle.
Woo!
Oh god.
I can't even see my marker.
I think I'm over here.
Oh!
Oh.
No, I don't think I'm on the right side. Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Oh, I was in the right distance from Link and everything.
Oh god.
Everybody's new to that still.
You could look at it a million times and it's still not good.
Did you guys miss?
Man, the fact that you have that fucking Phoenix, you're earning your keep. It's not even you, it's the fucking Phoenix that's doing it.
No, it's
I like how his question was, did you guys miss me? And no one else said anything, and you just...
Betty.
What the fuck?
By the way, Fatty.
You don't have food on!
I
Oh, this
told
gun's
everybody
just-
to eat food
Oh, God.
15 minutes ago.
Middle.
Oh, okay. Ah!
Oh, I'm way too far behind.
No, we went to the wrong side.
Wow.
Expecting that.
5, 6. Which is,
I hate that. I hate it. This is gonna be the hardest part for me, I swear. Well, that was fucking shittily timed. Ah!
How did both of the bosses dodge my doll just now?
I
They
watched
ran
that. I
right
watched
through
that.
it.
Look, it's made of liquid. It couldn't hurt that bad. Jesus,
There's the
that's
bat
my
on.
people shit.
I'm just scrolling Facebook. It's not my fault that
Slurping mayonnaise, collecting coins. Bitch, you're changing.
I didn't have any mayo today.
Oh,
Are you okay?
Yes. Perfectly fine.
he had to rub his biscuits on his skin, but...
Oh,
You know, mayo is just like all fat, right?
Yeah.
It's oil and eggs.
some bats or whatever it happened.
that doll was not fed.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Spray and pray.
Cool.